Good morning students, Sairam. Welcome back to the computer session. In last session, we have completed a formulas and functions chapter. In this session, we are going to do a lab activity, that is page number 35. So, in the last session, you have learned the difference between formulas and functions. And the formulas, what is formula and functions? The formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. It establishes a relationship between two or more cells. And difference between the functions and formula. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. Same thing functions are as a predefined formulas and are already available in Excel, right? And we have learned the what is the cell addresses, cell references. The cell addresses in the formula is known as the cell references. With references, you can use the data in different parts of the worksheet. Okay, so we will start with lab activity. Okay, first let us learn what is the lab activity is given in your book. Okay, so now I will open a PDF file so that you can able to see. Here they have given a sales information in the month, and here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, right? There's a columns and total 18 rows are there. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 18 rows are there. Okay. So, here in the first row sales information is there. Okay. It is written sales information with the help of merge tab, right? And in the 4, here A4, can you see month? Here month they have divided into 4, the Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4, that is a quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3 and quarter 4. And they have given units sold in quarter 1 3592, quarter 2 4390 and again 3192 and the quarter 4 4700. And here you can see they have given a point here of instructions. Okay, based on this instruction we will do the lab activity. So, how to find the sales revenue? In this here you can see in the A17 and 18 they have given product price and product cost. Okay. Based on this product price and product cost, we have to find out sales revenue and cost of sales. Okay. If you find a cost sales and the cost of revenue, okay, sorry, sales revenue and the cost of sales, you can able to find out what is the gross margin, that is gross profit. Okay. And here in the A17 they have given product price and the A18 product cost. Okay. We will start with Excel. So, as it is I have typed, okay, can you see here the same thing I have taken A18 rows, okay, 1 to 18 rows and the till F columns. Okay. Now, okay, we will start doing now. The first you can see here units sold in the quarter 1 3592. Okay. Now, we will find out the sales revenue. How will you find out the sales revenue? Click on the B here. Okay. Okay. Now, here you can see first click on cell B7 and type the formula B6 into here $B $17. Okay. So, sales revenue, how will you find out? In the sales revenue we need a unit sold. What are the units sold? It is in the B6. So, we will type is equal to sign B6, okay, into. So, you have to find the what into what product price or product cost. It is a product price because we are doing sales revenue. So, product price, the product for price is 40 rupees, but here we will take the cell here B17, right. So, 40 rupees is the product price for 40.00. So, that is B17. Okay. For that now we need which one? absolute value. Okay, why? We have to fix that particular value because we want to find quarter Q2, Q3 and Q4 also, right. So, we will fix that particular value. Okay, the product price is fixed for all the quarters, right. Okay, so we will fix the value $B, okay, and $17, $B and $17. Okay, click on the cell C7, B7 and type the formula is equal to B6 into $B, $7 and press the enter key. Okay, can you see this? Yes. So, how much you get? Okay, so here into C 3592 into 40 is become 143,680, 1,43,680 is sales revenue. Now, the next cost of sales. See here in the A18 the product cost, the price is given B18 is a 25 rupees. The cell number is B18, the 25 is written in B18. So, is equal to, okay, is equal to first what? Units sold, that is in the B6 into B6 into B18, right, B18, this 25 is where? B18, but again we have to fix the value because everywhere we have to take that particular product cost. So, we will take up here, we will fix the value, okay, fix the here which one? B18, same thing you will write a B6 into $B and the $18, okay, and the press enter key. Okay, so here again C6 into $7 here, okay, now B6 into $18, okay, then select the cell 8, C8, okay, okay, now how will you find out the gross margin? So, all of you know the gross margin is sales revenue minus cost of sales, right. Sales revenue is, what is the sales revenue? 1,04,000, that is where it is a B7 is equal to B7, right, B7 minus, and the cost of sales is how much? Yes, B7 into B8. So, can you see now what are the gross margin, that is a gross profit is, right, 53,880, okay. How will you calculate now total expenses? The total expenses is, now you can see sales force, advertising, overhead expense, these are the common expenses. So, we will take from the 8,000 where it is B10, right. So, is equal to sum bracket B10 to B12, okay, B10 to B12, not 11, B12, okay, we will drag properly B10 to B12 and close the bracket and the press enter key. So, this is what total expenses from B10 to B12, okay, these are the 39,552. Now, how will you find the product with the help of formula now or functions? Okay, now first of all sales revenue is how much? 1,43,000, this 43,680, it is in the B7 and this is the sales revenue and the cost of sales is this, right, and the gross margin. So, now we are going to find a product profit. So, profit is gross margin, that is a profit, right. So, is equal to again 53, that is B9, right children. So, this is B9 minus, right, B13 total expenses, right, B9 minus B13, can you say this? 13 is what? Total expenses. So, gross margin minus total expenses. So, you will get a profit, right. So, here can you see 14,328 rupees for the Q1, right. Okay. So, can you see here now understood how to do it? So, now product profit for the Q1. Now, the same thing we will do for a Q2 now. Okay, so same thing again, how will you do now? Again you will take a unit sold, that is equal to B here C6, right, C6 into which one? Product price, that is 40 rupees, the product price is 40, 6 into B7. So, you will get a sales revenue, right. So, what are the amount? okay, dollar sign, because we are fixing the, yes, now 1,75,000 because the unit cost is more. Now, how will you find out the cost of sales? The same how we have done in Q1, same one is equal to again unit sold into now product cost, okay, because this is the cost of sales, okay. All of you know the product price is different and the product cost is different, right. So, now, okay, this is again we will fix the cell with the help of dollar sign, that is absolute value, right. Okay. Now, we will find out a gross margin. How will you find out the gross margin or profit? We can copy, or you can put the formula is equal to, right, 7C7 minus C8, right, or you can put the copy the formula because already we have done, right. So, you can copy Control C, or you can drag the formula also. Dragging means what? You can copy paste, or you can do better, you do all the calculation with the help of functions, okay. So, afterwards you can copy paste. Once you understood, you can do copy paste, okay. So, same thing here again. How will you find out the product profit now? So, here the gross margin is 65,850 minus now here we will put C, here you can see C10, okay, is equal to C10, okay. We will do the first total expenses, then we will do the product profit. Total expenses, how will you do? Is equal to sign again, okay, is equal to C, okay, C10 to C12, right, is equal to sum, okay. We are doing total, right, totaling you are doing, right. So, 6,000, 10,000, 26,000 is 42,340. So, again here minus C, okay. Now, product is price is, okay, gross margin 65,850 minus, okay, 42,340. So, we are doing with the help of functions, right. Okay, the same thing here. Once you are done with Q1 and Q2, you can do copy paste, okay. So, you can see because the formulas are dragging, or you can do copy and paste. Dragging means you are copying the formula to one here to here, you can see here, okay. Yes, children, I think hope so understood. It is very easy practical, but all of you try this practical, okay. It is based on product price and the product cost, okay. You are doing the, you are finding the cost of sales, gross margin and total product profit, right. Okay, now again put the formula here. Here in the book they have given the steps, okay. Now select the which one? E7, right. Select the E7 is equal to sign again, and where is the unit sold? E6 is equal to E6 into A17, right, sorry, B17, okay. So, we are doing the copy paste now, okay. So, now again, so this is for what? Q4, right. Now, this way you can find out the total cost for Q2, Q3 and Q4, okay children. Yes. Now, in the last you can find out unit sold for the year, that also you can make it. How to do it? Okay, here gross margin first we will do, then we will find out the total, okay, units sold in Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Okay, this is E7 minus sum, then all the three range, okay. Is it clear children? Yes student, see here. Now again just select and you can product profit, you will copy the formula into some other cell, okay. copy or drag it, copy and paste. Okay, now we will find out the total units sold. How will you find out? Is equal to sum, right? You are doing a totaling, right? So, sum, select the cell and drag the cell, that is B6 to E6. Can you see the, yes, now total, yes, yes children, I think, hope so, all of you understood this lab activity. Again you want to find out the product profit for the full year. So, again sum and B15 to E15, okay, and press enter key. You will get the number, right, that is 70,000 something. Okay. Yes children, now in the lab activity they have given how to add the text. In the class we have already learned, in the last session we have already learned. Okay, so I have written sales in one column, information in one column. So, how will you add the text? With the help of and symbol, right, ampersand, right. So, is equal to sales, that is in the SL number, and giving the and ampersand symbol and this, and press enter key. Okay, it is not a number, so we are giving the ampersand, that is and symbol, for concatenate the text. So, joining the text. Yes children, we will stop this session. Sai Ram.